What's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to my Instagram live. Just finished doing it in the rain. Well, sort of in the rain. All right. So anyway, TJ's gonna join me in the live stream interview. Okay. So hopefully he'll come on. So probably on Instagram right now. So we gonna see if he say hang on. We're telling more followers to join you. He joined. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, dang. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Request to be all right. Let's see. He'll be joining me right now. Okay. I hope y'all can hear him though. Okay. All right. Here he is.
Well,
What's up, TJ?
Dominoes! What's the deal?
I'm doing good, bro. How's everything with you?
Going good.
Huh?
It's going good.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna load this game, ladies and gentlemen. So I can hear TJ real good. So you doing good, huh, bro?
Yeah.
All right. So anyway, I'm just chilling, doing my gameplay and stuff like that.
Okay, okay.
This was being shown.
What is
You heard
that?
me?
What is that?
Oh, it's this game right here, bro.
MLB 2000.
Yep.
Okay,
And
okay.
yeah, I'd hire more games than that, bro.
All right, all right.
Oh yeah, and by the way, let me show you what I got right here. I know you see this, right?
NHL 2K7. Damn, dog, that shit old.
Yeah. And look at this.
Okay, you got the Madden 22. Okay.
Yep. And I got this as well.
Okay, okay.
Well. I'm doing good, bro. And I have a lot of views, bro. A lot of followers on YouTube, bro. I mean, it's going good, bro.
I feel you. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yeah. All right. So anyway, yeah. Though. I mean, yeah, that beeping sound is the fire alarm, bro. I mean, smoke detector. It need a new battery.
All right. Hey, my phone about to die. Dog. I'm about to get out. My phone about to die.
Well, all right then. I'll talk to you later then. Yeah.
All right, I'll probably holler at you in a minute.
All right. Charge it up. Yeah.
All right.
All right then. All right. Bummer. Very much bummer. Wow, that was a straight up bummer. His phone about to die and everything. Yep. So, all right, y'all. I mean, it was a nice conversation though. I hope he charges his phone, or will he need a new phone? So maybe he needs a new phone. All right. I sure hope Erica can join me. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. I mean, I did not expect this interview to be short. But anyway, I do want Spice One to join my live stream. Oh look. Oh, look at that. Yep. It's a home run. Look at that. Yep. Okay. All right. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, okay? All right. I hope y'all enjoy this show. All right. Bye-bye, y'all.